Review sheet E, question 3. It's very similar to the ladders you've done in class, but we've got the picture already drawn from us. We've got the 10G coming down in the middle. It's in the middle because it's uniform. We've got the smooth vertical wall, so the only force coming off it is directly away from it at 90 degrees to it. That sort of explain why this is perpendicular to the wall, because there's no friction here, so the only force must be perpendicular to the wall. And okay, let's go for it. So we'll do moments about B. I think we'll look anti-clockwise ones. It seems more natural to do it that way. And we can see the first thing here, we'll take the weight coming down. So we've got 10G here. How far away is that? Well, it's 3 times by, so we want to get to that force there. So it's this distance here, which is the cos of 60. And the other force is the normal reaction of the wall. So that is, we're now going to minus 6 times S. And how far away from that force are we? Well, we are that far away there, and that is the sine of 60. And that equals 0. So to find out what S is, I'm going to take this bit here. So I've got 30G cos 60, and I'm going to divide by 6 sine 60. And if I tap that into the calculator, I end up getting 28.3 newtons. Now, this force here of 28.3 newtons, the only force counteracting that is in the opposite direction down there, is the friction. So the friction must be 28.3 newtons. That's the only thing it can be. The other bit, the normal reaction here, well, the normal reaction is the only thing that's counteracting the weight there. So the normal reaction must be 10G. So that is 98 newtons. So that's that bit there and that bit there sorted. And the last bit, of course, is that the friction is less than or equal to mu r. I mean, it's equal to when it's limiting, when it's at limiting equilibrium, but this one says it's just in equilibrium, so it's less than or equal to here. The friction was 28.3. It's less than or equal to mu times the normal reaction, which is 10G or 98. So just divide both sides by 98 to get mu is greater than or equal to 0.289. So the ladder one, if you copied what you've done in your notes, shouldn't be too bad.